So now we have come to MG section of Auto Expo 2020, and again MG also showcased a lot many cars than they are in Indian market right now from MG. Just like Kia Motors, here is one concept car from MG. Not talking about this one, the SUV they have launched already. The MG Hector names are very similar. So this is the car ZS that they have already launched in India. It costs around 20 lakh rupees. So it's one of the electric vehicles from MG. After MG Hector, they have launched this car. So this car looks pretty good and has a good range also of about 350 kilometers. Other than that, MG has showcased one more electric vehicle. This is one concept from MG. Just like Renault, they have showcased self-driven cars here with vision concept, and four people can sit face to face in this car. And this is AI technology, so it's not gonna be soon anywhere. But yeah, this gonna be soon coming in US, not in India at all. Almost 50 years also, because you cannot trust on AI in India because people go everywhere in India. There are no full rules to follow. So this is one concept, and that's it from MG. Other than that, they have tried to showcase one electric car, which I'm going to show you just now. So look at this concept. Is I think the Renault concept was the most beautiful looking concept in all Auto Expo. Now here they are trying to showcase one car, MG small hatchback. I don't know if it's production ready or concept version. Here again they have shown MG EZ, this concept electric, and here they have shown us again this same. So MG try to showcase the cars but that are not production ready. So this is again the already launched car. This is one of the cars that is going to be competing against Toyota Innova and Kia Carnival. It's called G10 from MG Hector. So it's another one seven-seater chauffeur-driven car. I think Kia Carnival looks better than this one. They have tried to showcase here one small vintage, and I think that this G10 will be a competition to Kia Carnival and Toyota Innova, but I'm not so sure to what extent it can be, you know, competing. It doesn't look so beautiful like Kia Carnival, but yeah, it's again one good chauffeur-driven seven-seater car that Indian people will love. So you can see this on roads, but I don't know how the MG company after sales services would be. But this is the showstopper from MG Motors. It's like this GLOSTER is huge. This car is huge. It looks more Gloucester. The name is Gloucester. It looks more bigger than Toyota Fortuner. Obviously, like 1.25 the size of Toyota Fortuner, and it looks huge. I really like this car because it's huge. If you see it on the roads, it will take a lot of space. It will take one complete lane. It's so big, and I cannot show you from nearby because I go on a public day in Auto Expo. Next time I'm gonna go on a business day maybe. And this is MG Gopro. That's all from MG Motors, but that really took my heart, the Gopro SUV. Then there is one this electric concept car from MG, which I don't really like much, not beautiful at all. But yeah, that SUV is huge. And other than that, MG has tried to showcase few cars that are not coming. It's just concept or racing, just trying to attract crowd on their pavilion. So that's all from MG. Check out the next video now.